Our site in Israel actually has over 200 engineers and researchers working in Tel Aviv and Haifa, working on global technologies and products, highly innovative. They're all incredibly talented. They love to work on innovative technologies which have high impact on many, many people.
Google does search, and Google does mobile, and Google does browsers, and Google does ads.
Google Autocomplete is a product that helps users enter search queries. When users actually want to type something, we can anticipate, kind of guess, what do they want to type? What query do they want? First, it saves time. Second, we help users to explore new queries that they didn't know about. And third, we also provide good queries because we know what queries lead to the best results.
Live Results basically is a project that tries to incorporate structured data into the search result page. When a user searches for weather on google.com, rather than just seeing 10 blue links that link to weather sites, we can already show the weather information for that specific user. So this can include financial information, this can include sports scores, this can include flight status information. Every vertical of which we identify an opportunity to present this data on the search result page, we go ahead and do so.
One of the projects we've built here in Tel Aviv is Google Insights for Search. So you can go in and type a keyword and see what people were interested in, when they were searching for it, where they were searching for it, and what else were they interested about. You can be a teenager or a pop culture enthusiastic, and you want to see what's hotter, kind of Britney Spears versus Lady Gaga. Or you can be a financial analyst, a statistician, or an economics person, and understand where the world is heading and what trends should interest you in your profession.
So we have 2 features in Gmail. Don't forget Bob. For example, right, type the 2 initial letters in, autocomplete for whomever. Then right below the 2 line, you would get suggestions for additional recipients. And got the wrong Bob. Link come up and say, did you mean this Sigali or the other Sigali? Would you like to replace those?
Basically, we do all the behind-the-scenes work that none of you can really see. Our algorithms that run on the Google network make sure that you can get your searches in hundreds of seconds, and users all over the world can do that. You can upload your YouTube videos and watch your videos, and everything happens so quickly. And this is due to our network and the way it operates.
Google established a research center. Mathematicians, economists, and computer scientists all sit together with engineers trying to predict the future and see what's going to happen next. The goal of the center is not just to help Google, but to help the entire industry and the academic community. For example, we had the TV auction, in which we invented a new auction to sell TV ads. And these basic ideas who came from the TV auctions later became a lot of papers and research which just spawned from this real-life problem.
We believe that innovation can come from everybody. Innovation is about execution. We invest in innovation by encouraging every Googler to spend up to 20% of their time on any project of their choice.
We helped Yad Vashem create a site for the photo archive they have. People with information about the photos or the document Yad Vashem has had to physically get to Yad Vashem, find the photo, find the document, and tell their story. So I took my 20% time to think about ways to solve them. I'm glad to say that once the site was up, we saw thousands of new stories.
My 20% is to encourage young girls to pursue science and technology, especially computer science, as a career choice or as a major in high school. We've been meeting with 50 girls a month in the past 2 years. Overall, we've reached about 2,000 girls. Last year's conference was held in Weizmann Institute, and 40% of the 500 girls who participated chose computer science as a high school major.
As an intern, I was thinking, okay, what will I do during my internship project? And I said, oh, why don't we add interactive links into YouTube? You could build new storytelling tools on the web. It's a thriller video, and there are 2 doors. You could literally choose one door by clicking on it and go down one path of the plot. And if you click on the other door, you go down a completely different path of the plot. You could start on a Monday to think of the craziest idea. By Wednesday, be in a meeting where you're building a design doc, and by the week later, already start with implementation to a product that will be launched 2 or 3 months later to billions of people.
You can basically join every project you want. You work with the team, you work with engineers, you do some research, and then you try to find something good, something amazing should happen maybe 6 months or a year after you joined.
So if you look at all the projects that Google works on, you'll see it's all about organizing the world's information and making it accessible to everyone.
We gave you a glimpse into some of the products and technologies developed here in Israel over the past few years. Our engineers keep pushing the boundaries, developing global products and technologies, and we're looking forward to give you an update in the future.